Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. It's me again. Hello everyone! Good afternoon UAE. I think now in the Philippines is afternoon or evening like that. Good morning around the world, another country. I hope everything is fine. Today, I wanna show you, this is my own recipe, my own ingredients. I put this chicken, and this is my ingredients. This is my Himalayan salt. I will not use iodized salt, only Himalayan salt. So I put this one, this, and garlic powder. Put chili powder. This is my own ingredients, how I make chicken in the air fryer. Put like this, more. And black pepper. Little. Then I put this organic, this herbal natural powder, ginger. To make smell good. Then mix. Mix all the ingredients. And put again. Because I make turn the chicken backside and put this. And again this garlic powder and little salt. Again ginger powder, little for good smell. I think put little salt. Mix together again in the back side, because I make in the front again. This is my vlog today. Happy Friday everyone. Stay safe and God bless to all. That's life. Making food. House life. Making food. This is my food today, my lunch. Chicken. Mix. All the ingredients. Where are you? To all my family and friends, to all my beloved followers, I'm here waiting for you. So that's all. We wash my hands. So now I will start to put the air fryer, because now its time is 1:53. So we will see how to put I think the camera not okay to see this like this. No, it's better this. Yeah, they will moving. I put this chicken. Only this because two people eating this chicken. And again, like this. Turn. So, wash my hands and put inside. Remove. Please put inside. We will wait this how to fix because I cannot hold. So now we will start open the switch and the heat is 180 and timer put 30 minutes. Bismillah. Yes. Now we will start. We wait until finish. Then I will make again 30 minutes. No, I mean 10 minutes. 30 and 10, 40 minutes. So now we will proceed to the other because now it's time late. We will wait this one until finish. Okay, return it back. This is my all ingredients. I remove this to put here. That is my daily routine here in the house. This here in the small kitchen. So now I will wash this rice. I will remove this rice cooker to put here another side because I will not near this rice cooker and air fryer, so I will wash. We will wash the rice. That's like here in the house making food. That's all. We put little salt. My salt is Himalayan. Mix this rice this. In my country, you need to put salt. Only water and enough. But here, need salt. Then the rice is very different because the rice is nothing. We put, leave the rice with water 2 to 3 hours and start making food. But in my country, no need. Where is the what's this? Remove it. I transfer the rice to the other side. Up. See? Bismillah. Then start. So that's all my life. Hello to all my family and friends. Where are you now? I'm live again. Welcome to my live and welcome to my vlog. So that's all. We wait until finish. So we will go outside because we wait this until finish. Only chicken and salad. So now we are here. Sitting. Hello, everyone. I'm here in the outside, waiting my food until finish. The rice and the chicken, then I will cut these vegetables. So that's all my lunch today. So now we are here talking. I need to change the view because the not good is my backside because the sun. Hello to all my followers and friends. We are here now today. We live. Happy Friday, everyone. See, standing the possession. Hello, welcome to my vlog. My stone is too much high. But it's okay, no problem. It's important to see me. Even one of my friend, my family or other, not here. We are here. I will show you where I am and where I'm sitting here in outside. This my small places. Go there. My small area. Simple life. We are living. Enjoy life. Happy Friday, everyone. Where are you to all my family? I think now in the Philippines is around, now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 p.m. Evening time here, but I think no time, or I don't know, maybe no internet like that. Marhaba, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jom Mubarak. Hello to all my family and friends. We are here now, live again. I'm waiting someone here. But until now, nothing. So, no problem. I will wait. Everyone to free time. See, I smell the chicken. I smell the chicken. Very nice. Wow. Who is this? Can you comment please, because I don't know you, because I will not see your name. Hello. Thanks for watching. I am here again. Where are you? My secret admirers. We want to monitoring with me what I will do here. I'm here to enjoy life. I'm here to do this because this is social media and this is my life. If you want to do anything, you can do. You cannot break the rules. You must be I follow the community guidelines. We are here now to appreciate everyone to watching my live. Even I'm alone here, no one can watch me. But it's no problem. This is the life. Because I am not celebrity, I am ordinary people to do this. It's you are free what you want to do here. Because now the social media is very important to all, because you are release your stress and everyone to do this. Who is this watching me? Anyway, thanks for watching me, but I don't know really who you are, because your name not appear here too. So please, can you write your message here? And I know you who you are. Where is my friend? I'm waiting you here. I'm live again. Where are you now? To all my family and friends, to all my beloved followers, I love social media. Like TikTok is my favorite. I have also YouTube channel and Facebook page. I use this, and I have normal Facebook, and I have Instagram account. All everything I have because I like to meet in social media. This is my life since before. I will not do this for now. This is long time I do this. Hello to all my friends. Where are you? Until now not here. Today is Friday. But today I have work. Hello to all my sister-in-law here in Dubai. Where are you? In Philippines and other country, where are you now? We will wait 30 minutes. Then we will check what happened my chicken in the fryer. So now we are here. Where are you now? Like people, celebrity, ordinary people, rich people, and poor people, you can do this as you want. This is free. This is free. Heavens again, the way your chaos, and that's why you do the way I do. This have post, but I will not use this because this is to post on off. Someone only checking for a few minutes, then gone. I don't know what happened. Who is that? And I know who you are. You want to monitoring with my life. But I'm so sorry. What I do, I will do. Because this is my life. It's not your life. I am open-minded, not yours. Same like you're close-minded. Conservative people. Moderate family. Family conservative. We are here to make friendship, family relation, friend, neighbor, and anything. I will not fight you here because this is social media. So you can monitoring with me. It's okay watching. No need to fighting. I'm not here to fight with you. Okay, you go inside. What happened? Ano nang nangyayari sa ating what happened this my stand, my darling? Adan na. Ano na, nag-start na yung start the prayer. I will start again because now it's near time to lunch time na. This is the problem of my stand. You can move like this. Moving around. Okay, where will we start to chop chop? Foot clips. See? Feeling beautiful. We will start to cut this my salad. Very simple making salad. This is cast. Little by little, cut this. My mobile will moving. Hello to all my family and friends around the world. Where are you now? I hope everything is fine and stay safe everyone. Please can join my live. Who is this? Happy Friday, everyone. Some people we go in mosque prayer because today is Friday. For Muslim people, we do prayer, especially in Friday. So this is my simple salad, cucumber. Hapon this my cucumber. This cucumber, small. Anyway, thanks to all my supporters to follow my page. I appreciate it very much. And people here to watching me, even a few minutes. Thank you. I think silly we will start duty today because today is Friday. So that's all. No need to put anything like this, only this one. Because only 2 people eating here. I will not do more. Waiting. I don't know what I'm doing this my mobile to fixing. Because they will moving and my mobile is higher. Too much higher. Okay. We will do a little sauce. Every time I will search this long like this. Okay, enough. My sauce. Little pot. This my vinegar with sili or pel. Pot little this. More. And little sauce. Soy sauce. Gato puti from Philippines. So that's all my sauce for the chicken. What it is? Daming langaw ah. Okay na enough. This is my fault today. So we will wait. That is my air fryer waiting. Okay. Oh my goodness, my food is not really finished. The prayer is okay again. Again, 10 minutes. It's already finished, but I will make again 10 minutes additional. Then become more fried. More fried. So, we're not. Oh, very fast, darling. Because what time now? My mobile is too much higher. Yeah, what happened? The moving alone. The time is 1:26 afternoon here in UAE. Hello everyone, happy Friday to all people around the world. Only I wait 10 minutes additional. 30 and 10 minutes, 40 minutes. So, very good chicken. Fried chicken. This is very nice if you want to do this chicken in the air fryer without oil. So, this is the good option if you want to make like chicken, fish, or without oil. So, you can use air fryer. Simple life, simple food, everything is simple. Few seconds, 30 to 40. Now the weather is changed. Cold, now it's hot weather coming. It's very difficult, very big problem also if the weather is high. Wow, thank you. Thanks for watching me. Hello. Welcome to my live. Happy Friday. And how are you today? I hope everything is fine. Once again, thanks for watching. To all my followers, my beloved followers, family and friends, welcome to my live. Once again, happy Friday and have a great day. We are here now today in the small kitchen. Wow. Oh, it's days. Mustak Warisi. Anyway, thanks. Thanks for watching me. I appreciated it very much. You from where? Thank you for sending a big heart. You from where watching me? I'm from here in UAE. Anyway, welcome to my blog. Mustak Warisi. Thank you for watching and thanks for your sending a big heart with kissing. For your sending, I appreciated it very much to join my blog today. Anyway, where is the other? Happen this my I will open the AC, but the AC is too much sounds. Happy Friday to all. Mustak Kwarisi, where are you? And to all my other followers, I will invite you to join my live today for talking time pass because I will make food for my lunch. So I'm bored because I'm alone here. So what will I do? I make online and making live. Everything. Mag-isi nga ako, oy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will make easy because it's just too much problem this. What happened is oh, this is also taban. you think? What you think will not ready to see what will happen because I use more. Nothing to all. Hello to all my family and friends. Where are you? Because you know, that's why I am understand because I'm using this other account. So he don't know my other account. So we understand. Even you are not her. So understood. No problem. I will wait if you discover my account. God, it's too much time. It's time. It's time to lunch. My food is not finished. The prayer is, I think, finished already. My chicken also is not finished, not yet finished. So I will check my rice. Rice finished. One 36 afternoon here. So we will wait 5 minutes more. Then my chicken is finished. Ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin, magpakailanman ang sumpa ko. Ipo-fold natin itong share natin. Uy, kasi mainit. Like this. It's bitter. Marhaba, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jum'ah Mubarak. To all my brother and sister around the world. Okay, we will check my chicken. What will happen this? I think this is enough. So we will close. So we will open. Bismillah. Yeah, my chicken. You see my chicken now? We will check this to transferring this another. Nasunog na itong isa, oy. Okay, close. This is finished, my dear. My chicken finished already. So So I will close this switch. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. I will close my vlog today because my food is already finished. My vlog is until now, so I will close. Thanks for watching everyone. See you my next vlog. Bye bye. Bye. See you again. Take care and God bless to all.